So this is literally crazy, right? So HappyHorse 1.1 was just released sometime back, and this is one of the sample videos generated by the model. So you can see there's the image 1 here, and you have image 2 with the clothes, and this is the video that comes out in the output. I'm going to quickly play this one here. So I still feel that there is some element of it being AI generated. The fact that it can be so smooth, right? I mean, if you look closely, there is some issue with the lip sync. There's some issue with respect to how the words are being pronounced and so on. So it's definitely some bit of AI in there. The fact that if you match it with, UGC videos that you're seeing so far, this one looks insane. So let's look at a few other videos. This is on HappyHorse.com, by the way. And you can take a look at some of these videos yourself. Let me find something else to see. All right, let's see this one. Wouldn't call it too bad. It's okay, right? You can see that again here you have an image 2, image 3, and then a prompt with respect to what needs to be done. If you look at the prompt itself, it has specifically designed what is it that the character should say during what timestamp, right? So 0 to 4 seconds do this, 4 to 8 do this, 8 to 12 do this, and so on and so forth. It's crazy, right? Here's another one. This train pulls away. I realize some skulls are meant to be left, hidden behind velvet and lace. I'm not running away. I'm simply moving forward. Crazy. I think some of these generations are done with HappyHorse 1.0. Regardless, they look crazy, and the HappyHorse version 1.1 only increases the context limit, speeds up the generation, and so on and so forth. I guess this is some of, I guess this is one of those magic based generations. I don't know. Let's keep looking at it. Yes. If the real world is no fun, then I'll just create my own. A flying whale soaring through a sea of clouds. Bro, am I just watching AI slop and having fun doing it? I don't know. Let's keep watching. Funny how the target audience that it's also targeting, like children here, I think they're not really the target audience here, but they're trying to communicate that the tool itself is more suited for generations like those. Obviously it's also good for UGC generation and clips like this. So yeah, AI video generation has come a long way. If you've been looking at the Will Smith eating noodles video from 2023 to 2022, today we have something like this. The entire space is completely transformed. You can take a look at the sample videos here. If you want to generate videos, you can go to happyhorse.com. Not our sponsor, right? I'm just here after Alibaba released HappyHorse 1.1. I was just curious to see what they've been doing. And what I see here is insane, right? So you now have up to 9 reference images, more consistency, higher quality video, and so on and so forth. So mind blown. Definitely one of the best video generations I have seen. I haven't really tried them so far, but the examples I'm seeing here is pretty good. So cool. Definitely go ahead and let me know, guys. I think this is similar to what Midjourney also used to do. You would have the creators and their videos out here. Let's just finally look at this one, lion versus a gorilla. Let's see how the fight based videos look like. Definitely not there. I think this is a good video stopping point. But thank you so much and have a great rest of the day, guys. Bye bye.